guys, hope everybody's doing great. I usually don't post videos like this, as you know, but this time I have something pretty awesome to tell you. If you have not heard about rush and bowl piping tips, there are these tips that fit in a regular frosting bag and dispense your frosting in cool designs. There are 10 different designs and I used 3 of these designs on the cupcakes that I made about 2 weeks ago, which by the way, they were awesome good. Anyway, it comes with 10 different designs, 3 reusable pastry bags, and 1 tricolor coupler. I appreciate all of you who support me and have liked my page, and this is my way of saying thank you. So head over to Amazon and get these awesome decorating tips, the Any Occasion brand, which is my brand. If you love them, and I know you will, please leave an honest review to help this awesome product reach more people. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.